as we got out of the airport in Edinburgh, we walked towards the tram station. It is located just about 5 minutes outside the airport. We bought a ticket using the machines before we hopped in the tram, and it cost £6.50. It's around 450 pesos as per that day's current exchange rate.
Next stop, Guy on Food.
Where are we going? It's not that cold. Tolerable yung lamig. We are now on our way to the hotel and see if they will be able to accommodate us for an early check-in. Or if not, we are thinking if we can just drop our luggage and have them safe keep for a while we roam around the center. We are very lucky since our check-in day is Tuesday. A room is already available for us. The staff in Ibis Hotel, Southbridge along Royal Mile is very nice to accommodate us without an extra fee. Yeah. See, ganda, diba? Amazing walk. I got us a room that is not that big but comfortable enough to stay and sleep in because most of the time we will be out exploring anyway. One tip though, I suggest get the place with a microwave or maybe you can request it from them. It will be cheaper in terms of food expense. We have several occasions during the trip that we ordered a massive amount of food and could not finish. We could have had it for dinner or breakfast the next day, but we did not have the option to take it home because there's no way to reheat the food and because it's COVID, services are limited. We weren't actually expecting this weather. A week ago, we kept on checking the weather updates for the trip because, of course, we want to prepare ourselves clothes-wise. So we bought raincoats and silicone waterproof slip-ons for our shoes. I can't say unfortunately, but I'm glad we didn't have to use them much. As for one of our guides, he kept on saying, there's no such thing as a bad weather, just a bad choice of clothes. Also, he said, in Scotland, be always prepared because most of the time, there are 4 seasons in one day. Dinaanan na natin.
Ayun eh.
Oo. Kaso nga lang, parang wala ko nakita.
The destination is on your right. Bike hog roast.
Yep.
Arrived.
What's the choices sorry again?
So we've got seasoned onion or we've got haggis.
I'll go with haggis. Yes, please. Thank you.
We've got apple,
I'll go with mustard mayo. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Oh, great. I'm good with this one.
Tara, doon naman sa kabila.
Bertie's proper fish and chips. Hi. Upside down. What? I am gonna. Oh, bonnet. Slytherin. Oh, snow globes. How do we use the door? Ron Weasley's one. After the whole day of walking and eating and just taking pictures, we got tired and exhausted, so we went home and napped and went out for dinner. Maki ramen. So after that, we called it a day. We didn't want to overdo the first day and be too tired for tomorrow's adventure. So yes, speaking of tomorrow's adventure, please stay tuned for part 2 of this video as we went to visit for some meals and tried to hunt for those hairy coos or hairy cows and see several lakes or lochs as the Scottish calls them. We also went to Glencoe, visit Nessie, and a boat tour in Loch Ness from Urquhart Castle. Yep, so I will try my best to upload day 2 to 4 soon. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye!